Imagine stepping onto a train in Kolkata, India. You sip your chai as the train glides out of the station, your destination California, USA. This might sound like science fiction, but it's the audacious vision of Rohan Sarkar's RanaP Trams and Railways project. This project aims to revolutionize transportation as we know it. It seeks to connect continents and cultures through a modern, efficient and sustainable rail network. This is not just about building tracks and trains. It's about pushing the boundaries of engineering and innovation. It's about creating a future where distance is no longer a barrier to human connection and progress. It's about reimagining the possibilities of transportation on a global scale. The driving force behind this ambitious project is Rohan Sarkar, a brilliant mind from the prestigious Yadavpur University in Kolkata. Yadavpur University is renowned for its academic excellence and contribution to engineering. Sarkar's project embodies the spirit of innovation that defines the institution. His vision extends beyond the conventional. He dares to dream of a world connected by a seamless web of rail. His passion for this project is infectious. He speaks with conviction about the transformative potential it holds. Sarkar is not just an engineer, he's a visionary. He sees a future where technology can bridge continents and bring people together. The RanaP project is divided into two key components. First, it aims to introduce 50 modern trams to the bustling streets of Kolkata. Kolkata, often called the City of Joy, is known for its rich culture and heritage. However, it also grapples with traffic congestion and pollution. The new tram system promises to provide a cleaner, more efficient way to navigate the city. These are not your grandfather's trams. They are sleek, modern marvels of engineering, designed for both efficiency and passenger comfort. The trams will be equipped with cutting-edge technology. This includes regenerative braking systems and sophisticated traffic management systems. This will ensure a smooth, safe and energy-efficient commute for Kolkata's residents. Section 4, a transcontinental railway, linking Kolkata to California. The second and even more ambitious component of the RanaP project is the construction of 122 railways connecting Kolkata to California. This transcontinental railway is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and ambition. It will span continents, oceans and mountain ranges, connecting two of the world's most vibrant regions. The railway will be a modern engineering marvel, utilizing advanced construction techniques and cutting-edge materials. The railway will be designed for high-speed travel, significantly reducing travel time between Asia and North America. Imagine boarding a train in Kolkata and arriving in California in a fraction of the time it currently takes. This will revolutionize international travel and trade, bringing the two continents closer than ever before. Section 5, transforming transportation speed, efficiency and sustainability. The potential impact of the RanaP Trams and Railways project is immense. It promises to transform transportation, not just in Kolkata and California, but globally. Imagine a world where high-speed trains seamlessly connect major cities across continents. A world where travel is faster, more efficient and more sustainable. The project's emphasis on sustainability is particularly noteworthy. Electric trains will be a key feature. They will significantly reduce carbon emissions compared to air and road travel. This aligns perfectly with the global push towards a greener future. The project has the potential to become a model for sustainable transportation solutions worldwide. Section 6, a brighter future, economic growth and global connectivity. The RanaP Trams and Railways project is not just an engineering feat. It is a vision for a brighter future, a future where technology connects people and cultures like never before. The project has the potential to unlock unprecedented economic growth. It will create jobs, boost trade, and foster innovation. Imagine the possibilities when two of the world's most populous regions are connected by a high-speed rail network. The project represents a bold step towards a more interconnected and prosperous world. It is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, ambition, and collaboration. The RanaP Trams and Railways project is an idea whose time has come. It is a beacon of progress and a symbol of hope for a future where geographical boundaries no longer limit human potential.